Welcome back. So now it's time to start working on the project. So the first step is that I'm going to create our project folder. So to create the project folder, you need to create it in your location where it's easy for you to access. So I'm going to create it on my desktop because it's easy for me to access. So on my desktop here, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to here right click and then I'm going to create a new folder and then I'm going to name it. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name my project. I'm gonna name it PHP underscore project. You can name it whatever you want, but it's important to give it a name that is meaningful. So I'm gonna name it PHP project, and then I'm gonna hit enter, and now I have this folder. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna drag this folder and drop it onto my Visual Studio Code, and it will be opened in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, the project is now opened in Visual Studio Code. Now we can start working on the project. Now this is the folder, is called PHP underscore project. So it's an empty folder. It's just an empty folder, and this is the starting point.